everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. I had a lot of people request for me to do a packing video for the Ju-Ju-Be Be Sporty in the brand new Sakura At Dusk. It is absolutely gorgeous. The second I pulled it out of the box, I was in love with it, and if you guys want to check out that video, I will link it right over here for you. But I am loving this particular print on the Be Sporty. I feel like all the rose gold and the beautiful purple zippers and everything just goes so beautifully together, and it literally has like all my favorite colors in it. So I am absolutely loving this bag, and I have it packed up today for my 3 boys. I have an 8-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 20-month-old. So I have it packed up for me and all of them as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. I do have the set pieces in here, and I also have a fuel cell in here. So if you guys wanna see how a fuel cell fits into the Be Sporty, this is a great video for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the outside of the bag first. Just quickly go over what we have going on the outside here. You have your front flap here with a magnetic snap closure. You guys can see that gorgeous silvery purple lining there. It's like a very pale lavender. I love it. You have a single zipper going across the front here. This is your mommy pocket, and then you have another zipper going vertically down the front here. This is a great place to store coupons and small bits of paper and things like that. You also have 2 nice insulated pockets on the sides here. I love storing my swell bottles and things like that in these pockets. They're good size, they hold a lot. On the back of the bag here, you have your seatbelt backpack straps. You also have your seatbelt grab handle on the top here. This bag does come with a light change pad, and you can keep that stored in the very back of your bag here. You also have a hidden tech pocket back here, and that is a great place to keep your phone and things like that. So that's just a basic overview of this bag, but this is really not a review. This is just more of a packing video. Let's go ahead and jump on to the pockets. So I'm going to start with the mommy pocket. I don't usually ever put anything in this very front pocket. If I do, like I said, it's bits of paper, coupons, rewards cards, and things like that can go in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump to the mommy pocket. This is basically what I have in here. I have some set pieces. This particular pocket does not have your usual key fob and things like that, but you do have a little bit of organization. You have a mesh elastic pocket here, which is a great place for storing things you want to keep a little bit more secured. So I have my set piece in Sakura At Dusk. This is a small set piece. I love it. In here, I am kind of using this as a wallet. So I have a few bits of change down at the bottom. I have my Be Charged down in there. And then I also have some coupons and things if I want to use those. I like to kind of keep that type of thing all in the same place so that I know where everything is. So I have that in my small set piece. And next to that, in the same pocket, I have my Luminaire Ever Collection set piece in this small size too. In here, I just have things for me. I have some lip gloss, chapstick, folding hairbrush, mirror, hand cream, and stuff like that. The only other thing that I have down in here is my keys at the very bottom. So that's all I have down there, but you do have another pocket back here that is another flat type of pocket. So you can use that for whatever else you want to. I don't tend to use the flat pockets because I don't like to bulk up the bag too much. Let's move on to the sides. So over here, in this pocket here, I have my 16-ounce Swell Traveler bottle. And I cannot remember the name of this print, but I will definitely link this particular bottle to you guys down below in the description, as well as shopping links for anything in this video, including Ju-Ju-Be. So I hope you guys will go check that out. But I do have my Swell here. This is a 16-ounce size, as I mentioned. This is a fabulous size, and it fits perfectly in here. I'll show you guys one more time. Like, you even have just a little bit of room on the top there to spare. So that is a great pocket to hold water bottles and things. So on the other side, you have one more pocket. And in here, I just have my sunglasses. Ju-Ju-Be does make a really cool sunglasses case, but the way I have the bag packed up right now, the best way for me to keep my sunglasses in here was without anything. And if there's nothing else in here with them, it is keeping them a little bit safe. So, and this is slightly padded on the front here, so it keeps things nice and secluded in there if you want to keep things like that. Let's move on to the back of the bag. So as I mentioned, this does come with your light change pad. That is all that I have in that back slip pocket. In the tech pocket, I do have my phone. I have an 8 Plus. That just stands straight up and down in there with no problem. It's really easy to just zip it up. It's the perfect size for phones that size. So now that we've gone over everything on the outside of the bag, let's go ahead and see how I have the inside packed up. So this is what the top of the Be Sporty looks like. You guys have these 2 D-rings, one on each side. You can use this bag as a crossbody bag over the shoulder. You can also wear it backpack style. So that is basically why these are here. You can also hook it onto a stroller or a shopping cart if you have stroller clips. The very front of the Be Sporty has this nice large flap here, and that keeps all of your things secure. If you don't want to use the zipper, all you have to do is just open it all the way like that, and then you can tuck these pieces down inside if you do not want to use them. That way it might be a little easier for you to access everything that you want to. This is what I have on top right now, and the way the Be Sporty packs is very difficult to film, so I'm going to show you guys to the best of my ability how I have everything set up in here. So let's get started. On the very top here, I have a little sweater for my son. As you guys know, it is freezing out right now, so he has a heavy jacket, but we also have a little sweater for him just in case. So it's always good to have options. Also on top here, I have a large set piece, and this is in Sakura At Dusk as well. Isn't that absolutely stunning? I love it. So this is working as my Be Quick pretty much. I attached a small set strap to this, and it just opens like that. And then on here I have a white pouch 30 down in here in the Donatella print, which I thought looked really cute with this print. And that has my wipes and everything. And then I have 3 size 4 diapers. And then I also have a little thing of baggies just in case there's a mess that needs containing. So that is all that I had in there, and that's right on top for easy access. When I'm packing the Be Sporty, I like to pack where I put everything that I need to get to quickly on top because this bag packs kind of vertically, but this is how I have the rest of it. As you guys can see down in there, I do have a fuel cell. It is fully packed down at the bottom there. I also have a medium set piece right next to it, so you have plenty of space in this bag to hold all your stuff. And like I said, I'm packing this for 3 kids, so this can work for 3 kids as long as you are a minimalist. So that is how I have it packed up today, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through my medium set piece first, and I have that in the Luminaire print. And I just want to show you guys because I think these 2 prints look so good together. So if you do not want to get the matching Sakura at Dusk print or they run out, and these happen to be in stock still, I highly suggest that you pair it with this because it's just so pretty. It really brings out the taupey colors of the flowers there. So anyways, in my medium piece here, I just have a change of clothes. So I have a little shirt, I have some pants rolled up, and then I also have a little pair of socks down in there as well, just in case. Now, I do have a couple things in the front mesh pockets down there. I zoomed in a little bit so you guys could see a little bit better. But there are 2 mesh pockets down here. They're great for small set pieces and medium set pieces and things like that. So in here I have a small set piece in ... And in here I just have things like ibuprofen, Neosporin, nail clippers, Band-Aids, and things like that. It's a little med kit. If I have all 3 kids with me, you never know what can happen. So it's always a good idea to keep something like this with you, just in case. Also, right next to that in the other side, I have a iPod for my kids to play with. And this just has educational games and a few TV shows so that they don't get bored while we're out and about if we're sitting somewhere for a really long time. You also have a back zipper here. I don't normally put too much in this pocket because it's not a super large pocket, but just so you guys can see for size reference, I do have my small set piece here, and it does fit all the way down in there. And you can even zip it. So that's just for size reference, but other than that, the only thing I have left to go through in this bag is my fuel cell, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out for you guys. Okay, you guys, let's go through the fuel cell. If you don't know what the fuel cell is, it is basically a collapsible lunchbox, and I absolutely love them. I have a whole bunch, and I use them all the time. So it's perfect for people with multiple kids, or if you are a pumping mom, you can store your breast milk in here, you can store formula, you can put kids' lunches in here. Like, there's literally so many options with the fuel cell. So today I'm actually using it as kind of a lunch box for all 3 of my kids. So I have snacks and drinks and all that stuff all for them. So let's go ahead and go through it. All right, so the fuel cell actually has a double zipper opening, so it's a little easier to get into. You have a nice clear pocket at the top here with a zipper, and you can put forks, spoons, and things like that to just keep them a little bit more away from everything else that's in here. On the very top here, I have my son's Be Neat. This is in the brand new Butterfly Forest print. which guys, by the way, is super cute. I love it. Hopefully you guys can see that real well, but you have pretty camo butterfly background, and then you have the polka dot with the taupey gray background. So it's really, really cute. But I really love these for feeding babies and toddlers because they wash so nicely. So I always keep one of those in there. On top here, I have a little snack for myself. It's just a Kind bar. These are really yummy. I also have these Ritz crackers. I have one for each of the boys, so 2 there, 1 there. You always want to keep things that can get crushed on top so that they don't get crushed. So I have that on top. Everything else is kind of like heavier and at the very bottom. So I also have 2 juices for my boys, my 2 older ones. And then I also have a little milk here. I love the Horizon organic milks. They are great for taking on the go. And then at the very bottom here, I have a baby pouch. Then I also have 2 Go-Go squeezes for my older 2. And at the very, very bottom, I have a few of these granola bars. My boys absolutely love these Nature Valley soft bars. They're amazing. So does my husband. I don't know why they like those. And that is what the inside of the fuel cell looks like, you guys. So now that I have everything out of the bag, I did want to show you guys just real quick what it looks like in there without anything in there. Hopefully you guys are seeing pretty well. You have this gorgeous silvery lavender color as the main compartment, and I love that light color for a bag this deep because it allows you to be able to see what's in there. So it's not just a big black hole, so I really like that. And you have this larger mesh pocket in the back here. So that's pretty much what you have going on down there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. And I would love if you guys would shop Ju-Ju-Be with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you so you can shop through there anytime. And I really appreciate when you guys do because it helps support my channel. If you do use it, please give me a DM so I can thank you personally. Thanks for watching!